Alright guys, so welcome back again to my channel of beginner welding. Sam's beginner welding, guys. Um at this time I'm gonna attempt to make a small welding table. DIY welding table. Not too crazy. So I'm gonna start tuck some pieces together. Got my grounds on, and I'm gonna try to tuck some of these together, guys, over here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna weld this piece here across this for my tabletop, just like so. And I'm gonna weld this piece here. So I'm gonna do some tuck weld first, guys, on this one. But so I tuck that piece all the way across, guys. I tuck it all the way across. Let me check something here, guy. So I guess this could be a little bit more tension on that. Let's try it again. Okay, better. Okay, that's better, guys. So I'm gonna try and tuck weld the next side also. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and tuck weld the other side. This side here, guys. So there we go. So guys, got this tuck weld. So guys, you can see it here. It's all tuck weld. So this is gonna be my top of my table for now. So now I can turn it over like this, and I can do some more welds in between this guy. So I am doing this, guys, and I am also practicing also. Do some more welds here. All right. So it's looking good so far. So guys, it's looking good. Um, I got a couple pieces to put butt joint together. So I'm gonna try and butt joint one on one video and see it work out, guys. Guys, this is what I'm gonna attempt to weld this way. Make it straight. So I'm gonna have to hold this piece in my hand. So I'm gonna put it back on a little jiggy here. So I'm gonna do a tack weld. Do a tack weld on this piece. So what I'm gonna okay. Got another piece here, guys, to weld too. And it hold pretty good, not bad. What I'm gonna do is join this tack, tack weld these two together first, and then I'm gonna join. Doing tack weld on this one. This one is pretty close, guys. So we're gonna do another tack weld on this side here. Not, it's not bad, guys. It's not bad at all. And this is my second day welding. Second day, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna finish weld this piece up. Don't care about it because it's gonna be for my table here. So let's finish weld this piece up. Go from there. So, guys, it's so I can see where it burned through a little here. So I think it's burning a little bit hot, a little bit hot there. So I can turn the current a little bit down. Much better, guys. That's it, guys. I make another leg on my table. Not so pretty, but it's gonna be strong enough to hold up my table. And I got 4 pieces now. Got 4 pieces of metal here. So guys, that's it for now. I'm gonna come back again another video of me putting the table together so you can see how it looks. As always, peace out. God bless.